If you are seeing this, your consciousness has finally reached the frequency where it can grasp the greatest secret in all of existence, the observer effect. And once you truly understand what this means, the world you thought was solid and real will begin to dissolve, revealing the magical, responsive, and intelligent universe that has been waiting for you all along. You felt it, haven't you? That strange, deep knowing that your attention, your very awareness, changes things. That when you truly observe something, it's almost as if reality itself holds its breath and waits for your decision. This isn't your imagination. This is you waking up to your true creative power. A century ago, the pioneers of quantum physics stumbled upon a truth so profound it terrified them. They discovered that the universe is an ocean of infinite maybes, but the moment a conscious observer looks, everything changes. In that single sacred instant, the infinite ocean of possibilities collapses into one single event. A reality is born. This is the collapse of the wave function. This is the moment of creation itself. And here's the secret they didn't want you to grapple with. The rulebook of physics does not explain the collapse. So, what is the mysterious, invisible force powerful enough to break the laws of physics and collapse possibility into reality? The force that collapses the universe into being is you. For a century, the greatest minds on Earth, including Albert Einstein, searched for a physical cause for this collapse. They found nothing. Why? Because the cause isn't physical, it is consciousness. The famous Double-Slit Experiment proved this beyond all doubt. When scientists aren't looking, a particle behaves like a wave of pure possibility. But the moment they place a detector to observe it, the magic vanishes. The particle instantly stops being a wave and becomes a solid thing. The very act of observing it forced it to make a choice. This is where our solid reality shatters. Quantum mechanics proves that the world is not a continuous film. It is a series of discrete, separate events. Frozen frames of reality. The chair you are sitting on, the screen you are watching, they only truly exist in the frozen moment you observe them. Between your observations, they are just probabilities, waiting for you to look again. What is the only thing we know of that is capable of turning a pure idea into a real event? The answer is consciousness. Your awareness. Your observation. That is the ghost in the machine. That is the missing piece. Think about it in your own life. Have you ever changed a situation simply by changing the quality of your observation? By shifting from frustration to love? From doubt to appreciation? When you do this, you collapse a new, more vibrant possibility into your reality. This direct personal power is the entire mission of this channel. But even this is just the next layer of the illusion. The truth is far more profound. What if there is no mind-independent reality? The great physicist Sir James Jeans famously stated, "The universe begins to look more like a great thought than like a great machine." The universe is a collective and interactive dream, created and sustained by one universal consciousness. You are not a separate being observing an external world. You are a focal point of the universe's consciousness, experiencing a dream that it is simultaneously creating for you. Suddenly, everything makes sense. The magic, the synchronicities. They are all features, not bugs, of a reality that is conscious and intelligent. And the ultimate secret is that you are not just a character in the dream. You are also the dreamer. When you truly grasp this, you understand that you are the universe waking up to itself. Living from this recognition changes everything. You stop trying to force reality and you start to dance with it. Here at Calmnergy, our foundation is this truth. Everything is energy, and because you are consciousness, everything is possible. You don't need to learn a new technique. You only need to remember the truth of who you are, a divine focal point through which the universe experiences its own magnificent dream. As you go about your day, hold this truth. See every synchronicity as a wink from the cosmic dreamer. See every challenge as a scene designed for your ultimate growth. This is not just a change in perspective. This is the beginning of a new life. a life of magic, meaning, and infinite potential. This is Sparks Creation. If this message has activated something in you, I invite you to subscribe and join this collective of souls who are consciously waking up within the dream. Let's co-create a new reality together. Thank you for your presence, your energy, and for daring to become more of who you truly are.